I'm Suresh Venkatasubramanian. I direct the Center for Tech Responsibility here at DSI. I'm a professor of computer science and data science. The mission of the Center for Tech Responsibility is to reflect on where we are with technology and society, imagine a better future where we can build tech that actually works for us and make sure we can provide that positive vision of the world. I started off in computer science dealing with what is called high-dimensional geometry, which is where all data lives. So through the study of geometry, I got the study of data. Through the study of data, I got to thinking about machine learning, data mining, and then I started thinking about what comes next, like what happens when you can do machine learning on everything. And that's when it became clear that one of the questions we're going to be worrying about is accountability and trust. How do we trust that these systems are doing what they claim to be doing? So we do a lot of different things, but I think the common thread in all of them is thinking about what happens when tech clashes, sometimes violently, with people. One example could be a project that we're working on right now with Sohini and our students is what do we do about the way genetic data, your DNA, is collected, is used, is transferred? Do we have adequate protections in place so that your data can't be misused? Do we even understand what kind of information can be extracted from DNA and what can't? So getting us better information about genetic data, getting us better understanding of the algorithms that are being used to collect it and make inferences from it, making recommendations of how we should put governance, policy, regulations on top of this is an example of a project where the technology, genetic data sampling, is colliding with people. I have no idea what's going to happen next week. Things are changing so rapidly that it's hard to even predict. I mean, 2 years ago, we were not talking about ChatGPT. A lot of what I'm doing is just sort of seeing where we are and trying to react in real time. So I have no idea what I'll be doing in 10 years. But I think the questions will mutate and change, and that's what makes it interesting. Coffee. I'm a coffee-obsessed person. If anyone ever wants to get hold of me, all they have to say is, let's go get coffee, and I'll go. Even if I've just come back from a previous coffee. I have one rule in life. There's always time for more coffee.